This is another Fermi estimation question. It requires us to estimate the number of school meals served each year in a large secondary school. State any assumptions that you make, and we must show our working. A question like this attracts 5 marks, so a significant amount of work needs to be done. Firstly, we need to consider what assumptions we're going to make. So we're going to assume that students and staff have 1 meal a day at this school canteen. We're also going to assume that there's 190 school days. Of course, the school doesn't run every single day of the year. We're also going to assume that a large secondary school like this might have 2,000 students within it. But out of that 2,000 students, let's just say that 1,500 students, not 15,000, 1,500 students actually eat at the canteen. So not the full 2,000, but probably 3/4 will eat at the canteen, representing 1,500 students. Of course, some staff might eat there as well, so we'll say that 50 staff also eat at that canteen as well. Now, those 5 things that we've just written down represent our assumptions, so it's very important that we signpost to the examiner that those are our assumptions. How do we get how many staff students eat each year in a large secondary school? Well, first things first, we need to, of course, take our 1 meal a day. We need to then times it by the number of days. Then we're going to times it also by the number of staff plus students that eat each day. And then times one by the other, and we get 294,500. So we're going to put 294,500 meals served each year in a large secondary school.